Hey everybody, it's Brian, and this is our 13th C++ video. Today we're going to be discussing the do loop. So what is a loop? Well, a loop is something that just happens over and over and over again. The structure of the do loop is the keyword do with a code block. And at the end of that code block you say while, parentheses, semicolon. So what you're saying here is do this right here while this expression is true. So for example, we have I equals 0, and we'll say I is less than, we'll say 100. So let's actually do a cout, and we're just going to print the number. So we're going to say cout the value of I with an inline. Now we have to increment this, otherwise this is just going to loop infinitely, because I will always equal 0. Let's just run this so I can show you. See how we have a bunch of zeros and it's going and going and going? It's because we're not incrementing it. That's a common mistake with loops. So let's increment I. That's what the two plus signs do, is it takes that and it's the equivalent to I equals I plus 1. That's the basic equivalent, and as you might have guessed, there's also a decrement operator. Let's run this again and see the results. Sure enough, it goes, and because it hit 100, it stopped processing right there. Now the other ones are also true. I mean, you can do a not equals to 100. So while I is not equal to 100, it'll do the same thing. Well, that's the basic do loop. This is Brian. Hope you found this video educational and entertaining. Thank you for watching.